Hello everyone. In this video, I show you how to use VideoProc Converter AI to convert your DVDs to a digital format for watching on a media server. Simply open VideoProc Converter AI. Here I have inserted a DVD in my PC. So, click on DVD. Here you can see all the lists you can convert your DVD to. Like, MP4, iPhone Android compatible, HEVC etc. Also the tabs like popular, video, device, backup and music. On the top, you can see it can take DVD discs, DVD folders and ISO as well. So, clicking on disk. It's analyzing. There will be 2 video files, but for demonstration, I tick only one. Finally, run. It's showing me the estimated time it would take to make the DVD MP4. It's rendered. The file is MP4. The size is given below. If you want to improve the video quality, simply drag the file to the AI Super Resolution section and upscale the resolution by 2x, 3x, 4x. You can also perform quick editing tasks like cutting, merging, cropping, rotating, taking screenshots, creating GIFs, etc. If we compare VideoProc Converter AI with Make MKV, then we find these differences. 1. VideoProc Converter AI is a professional DVD converter that supports a wider range of DVDs, both old and new, including ISO images and DVD video folders. 2. VideoProc Converter AI offers various output formats for converting DVD movies, making them compatible with various devices and platforms like Plex. 3. It allows you to convert DVDs without any loss of quality, ensuring that you can maintain the original video quality, which is not possible through Make MKV. 4. VideoProc Converter AI is faster than Make MKV due to the full utilization of GPU hardware acceleration. 5. To upscale DVD movies to 4K 60 FPS using AI Super Resolution tool, VideoProc Converter AI is a powerful tool. It also offers editing capabilities for cutting video length, merging clips, cropping, and rotating. 6. VideoProc Converter AI is a budget-friendly plan available for $29.95 with unlimited upgrades. It includes a DVD converter, video and audio converter, video compressor, editor, and screen recorder, along with 3 AI tools for improved photo and video quality. So, from above we can claim that VideoProc Converter AI is a best-for-money deal. So, this is how you can use this super tool and get your tasks done. Please be with us and also subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.